What's up, guys? I'm here in Napa and they got this beauty, and they got that one there, the blue one. I love the colors, guys. Good looking colors. See that it comes out pretty far. It feels real nice, guys. It really does. It feels real nice. So if this one feels good, you imagine that comes out all the way. So if this feels good, imagine what the 72 inches feel like. They're only $1,300. Pretty deep drawers. It's a nice box, guys. They're both pretty nice. There's the prices. That's the prices here. Online they're $1,100. Yes, it's a real nice box, guys. Is it worth $1,000? I'll let you be the boss of that. But one thing I do like, it does have the things right here. So when you push it in there, it locks. And they're both like that. So, alright, guys. There we go. A homak toolboxes. These are 41 inches. There's the price for both of them. They're the same price. Nice box. Real nice box. Alright, guys. Like, share, subscribe. Till the next time. Bye-bye.